For automotive enthusiasts and performance-minded drivers, few upgrades can transform an engine's capabilities quite like a turbocharger. Designed to increase engine efficiency and power output, turbochargers use exhaust gases to force more air into the combustion chamber, allowing the engine to burn more fuel and generate significantly more horsepower. Whether you're looking to improve acceleration, enhance towing performance, or simply unlock more potential from your vehicle, a quality turbocharger can make a dramatic difference. Modern turbochargers are more advanced than ever, featuring improved turbine designs, stronger materials, better heat resistance, and enhanced reliability. Many of today's turbochargers are engineered to deliver quicker spool times, increased airflow, and consistent performance under demanding driving conditions. From daily drivers to performance builds, the right turbocharger can provide a noticeable improvement in both power and responsiveness. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best car turbochargers for 2026 to help you find the perfect balance of performance, reliability, and affordability. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Speedingrads K04 turbocharger. The Speedingrads K04 turbocharger is a popular option among drivers looking for an affordable performance upgrade without sacrificing essential functionality. Designed to increase airflow and boost pressure, this turbocharger helps improve engine output while maintaining everyday drivability. One of the biggest advantages of the K04 design is its balance between performance and practicality. It offers stronger acceleration and improved throttle response compared to naturally aspirated setups while remaining suitable for daily driving applications. Another benefit is its durable construction. Turbochargers operate under extremely demanding conditions, including high temperatures and high rotational speeds. The Speedingrads unit is engineered to withstand these stresses while delivering dependable performance. The turbo also helps improve overall engine efficiency by utilizing exhaust energy that would otherwise be wasted. This efficient use of exhaust flow contributes to enhanced power generation and improved responsiveness. Coming in at number 4 is the A-Premium Turbo turbocharger. A-Premium has built a reputation for producing dependable automotive replacement components, and this turbocharger reflects that commitment to quality and reliability. Designed to restore or improve turbocharged engine performance, it offers an excellent balance of durability and value. One of the standout features of this model is its precision engineering. Proper airflow management is critical in turbocharged applications, and the A-Premium turbocharger is designed to support efficient boost delivery and smooth operation. The unit also focuses heavily on long-term durability. High-quality materials and carefully engineered components help it withstand the intense heat and pressure associated with turbocharged engines. Another advantage is compatibility. Many vehicle owners seek turbochargers that offer straightforward installation and reliable fitment, and this model is designed to meet those expectations. At number 3 is the SCAR 1.4L Turbo turbocharger. The SCAR 1.4L Turbo turbocharger is designed specifically to provide reliable performance for compatible small-displacement turbocharged engines. As modern vehicles continue to rely on smaller, more efficient engines, properly engineered turbochargers have become increasingly important. One of the key strengths of this turbocharger is its ability to deliver responsive boost performance. Faster spool times help improve acceleration and throttle response, creating a more enjoyable driving experience. Another advantage is efficient airflow management. Properly designed compressor and turbine components allow the turbocharger to maximize engine efficiency while supporting consistent power delivery. Durability is also a major focus. Turbochargers must withstand continuous exposure to extreme temperatures and rotational forces. The SCAR unit is built to handle these demanding conditions while maintaining dependable operation. Taking the number 2 spot is the Woola's Turbo turbocharger. The Woola's Turbo turbocharger stands out because of its strong combination of performance, reliability, and overall value. Designed to improve engine efficiency and boost production, it offers impressive capabilities for a wide range of driving situations. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its robust construction. Turbochargers are among the most demanding components within an engine system, and durability is critical for long-term success. The Woola's Turbo is engineered to provide dependable operation even under challenging conditions. Another important feature is boost consistency. Stable boost pressure helps improve acceleration while maintaining predictable performance across different engine speeds. The turbocharger also contributes to enhanced engine efficiency by improving airflow into the combustion chamber. Increased oxygen availability allows for more effective fuel combustion, resulting in stronger power output. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the DOFOC left-right turbocharger. The DOFOC left-right turbocharger claims the top position thanks to its exceptional combination of performance potential, engineering quality, and overall value. Designed for applications that require twin turbocharger functionality, this setup provides impressive airflow capabilities and strong performance gains. One of the biggest strengths of this system is its dual turbo configuration. By utilizing both left and right turbochargers, the setup can support greater airflow capacity and improved boost delivery compared to many single-turbo alternatives. Another major advantage is responsiveness. Properly engineered twin-turbo systems often deliver quicker boost response while maintaining strong high-end power, creating a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. The construction quality is equally impressive. High-temperature materials, durable turbine assemblies, and precision manufacturing help ensure long-term reliability under demanding operating conditions. Cooling efficiency and airflow management are also key factors in its performance. The carefully designed turbo components help maximize exhaust energy utilization while promoting efficient boost production. Choosing the right turbocharger depends on several important factors. Vehicle compatibility, airflow capacity, boost response, durability, installation requirements, and long-term reliability all play important roles in achieving the desired performance results. A quality turbocharger can dramatically improve engine output, responsiveness, and driving enjoyment while making more efficient use of available exhaust energy. Whether you're restoring factory performance or pursuing increased power, selecting the right turbocharger is a crucial decision. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best car turbochargers for 2026. From the affordable Mossbeedingrad's K04 turbocharger, the dependable A-Premium turbocharger, the efficient SCAR 1.4L turbocharger, the high-performing Woola's turbocharger, to the top-rated DOFOC left-right turbocharger, there's an excellent option here for every performance enthusiast and budget. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest automotive reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.